Hi to everyone and welcome in this new video. In this video I want to update you with the situation on Bitcoin because a very interesting pattern is happening. This pattern could take the price of Bitcoin to $30K. Before we start, I ask you to support the channel by leaving a like and subscribe to it. Perfect, now we can start. Perfect, here we are on CoinMarketCap. During the past 24 hours, BTC is remaining stable. Stable because it increased the value of 0.3%. At the moment that I'm recording, the price of Bitcoin is 24.6K. At the same time, Ethereum increased their value. In the last week, Bitcoin has had a very bullish performance. In fact, it has shown that it still has a lot of strength. The 21.5 area has been used as a support and restart point. In fact, during this week, the price of Bitcoin increased and touched the $25K. If this week's candle, which is now very few hours away from closing, closes with this performance, it could be very positive for Bitcoin. The ideal scenario for Bitcoin is to close the week above the relative high touched in mid-August 2022. At the same time, if we go to the daily chart, we can see that exactly right now the price of Bitcoin has been stationating in the area of several days, which could be good because on the hourly chart we can see that the compression triangle is forming. At the same time, if we go to the daily chart and we activate the indicator called volume profile, we can see that the area between 25K and 30K has no important volumes. This means that if we were to close the weekly on the daily above, the price of Bitcoin could quickly go to 30K. On the contrary, it has always been used at the point of momentum. In the last days of 2020, during the last bull run, this zone was used as a price surge zone for Bitcoin. Instead, in June 2022, it was used as a precipitation zone. During the next week, I plan to open a speculative position on Bitcoin, depending, of course, on the daily closes of the candle chart. As I said before, should Bitcoin manage to close with a fairly large volume, a daily candle above the August of 2022 heights, I will plan to open a speculative long position during a retest in this area. So if we close high, retest, and I plan to close my position in 28.8K. To do this, I would use NAGA, one of the most reliable brokers in the world, where it gives you the opportunity to trade very securely and with very basic commission. If you sign up to the link I leave in below in the description, you will have the opportunity to receive 10% discount on trading fees for life, as well as many other bonuses in the future. At this point, I want to show you this very interesting chart on Bitcoin. In this case, the analyst considering the breaking of the trend line on Bitcoin 3 weeks chart. All the time in the history of Bitcoin that the price has broken this trend line, as we can see on this chart, and at the same time the MACD moving average have crossed to the upside with a kind of golden cross, the price of Bitcoin has proven to be assigned a trend reversal. This scenario has happened in late 2015, but it's also happened in 2019 before Bitcoin last bull run. This, I want to say, is very interesting chart. At the same time, I want to show you another interesting chart. As we can see, this trader is considering the 2 months chart and Stochastic RSI. Stochastic RSI is an interesting indicator. The Stochastic RSI moving average have just crossed to the upside, as we can see on this chart. The other 2 times in history that this happened, Bitcoin found its bottom and started the first phase of its bull run. To recap, Bitcoin is at a very important point of the weekly. The 25.2K price level can be a level that, if broken through with volume, can take us very quickly to 30K. Or if we don't have a strength to break this level, we could be through back down. Another exchange I use for trading Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrency is BITGET. I currently consider it among the best on that market. This is because it has a lot of liquidity. We can check the proof of reserve in real time. This is very important from the point of view of the security of our asset. I want to remember you that BITGET not require the KYC of any reason. In fact, you can use the main features of this exchange without KYC. You can do a copy trading. You can trade on future markets without deposit your document, and you will be able to withdraw your money anytime. I will leave you the link in the description to receive 10% discount on trading fees for life, as well as $5,000 bonuses to use on the platform. Before we finish, if you want real-time information on what's going on Bitcoin and the rest of cryptocurrency, I ask you to subscribe to the channel and leaving a like on this video. For a subscriber, we will see you in the next video. Bye!